Hi, I'm Chrissy from the team at Slack, and I'm going to show you how to use the leader view inside Slack to have more focused work. The leader view is a place to stash conversations and notifications that you want to come back to. With this view, you can store your reminders and saved messages to help you manage your priorities or create a working to-do list. Keep track of your tasks with due dates and quickly jump back into the conversation to pick up right where you left off. But how do you save something for the leader view? You can save any message by hovering over it and clicking the Save for Later icon. And yes, you can do this for DMs too. Once you've saved an item, click on the In Progress section to find it. You can either click Complete to move it to the completed section, or add a reminder date and time to get notified about it later. The Archived section has all later items that you've archived. To archive any message, hover over it in the In Progress section and click the triple dots, then click Archive. Now you can archive important items for easy reference. The Completed section has all of your completed items. The later view is a great way to get things out of your head without losing them so that you can focus on more important activities right now. But how can you actually use it? Well, you could take notes in a huddle with your team and click Save for Later to create an internal to-do list. You could come back from taking your dog for a walk and see items that are in progress so you never lose your focus, even if you have to step away from your desk. Or say your company has a blog post checklist that you should use. You could archive it for easy reference for the next time that you have to post a new blog post. Or say that your boss is asking for a status update on your work. You can quickly create a summary by reviewing completed items. And that's it. You now know how to use the leader view to increase your productivity with Slack. If you want to go deeper, check out this playlist over here, or visit slack.com/help to learn more. Thanks for watching.